by virtue of the power vested in me by law and as granted by the Board of Trustees upon the certification and recommendation of BISCAST Academic Council, I hereby confer upon you your respective titles and degrees. Congratulations. You may transfer your academic garb. Congratulations. You may now be seated. The Board of Trustees of BISCAST, the Honorable Romel Serrano, our DOST Regional Office 5, our Honorable Faculty Trustee, Dr. Rose Maestrado, our Honorable Student Trustee, Raquel Marion Dauran, college officials, faculty and staff, alumni, proud parents, our dear stakeholders present, and batch 2023 graduates. Happy Film Friendship Day. Our distinguished commencement speaker is the friend of all, the state woman for all seasons. For us, she doesn't need a kilometric introduction, but to give her due justice because of her most invaluable presence for today's auspicious graduation. Attorney Leni Robredo was the 14th Vice President of the Philippines, serving from 2016 to 2022. During her term, she reinvented the Vice President's office into an advocacy-centered organization through a flagship poverty alleviation program that thrived on the private-public partnerships. Angat Buhay, which means uplifting lives, brought much-needed interventions on education, health, nutrition, and food security, rural development, women empowerment, housing, and resettlement. The kind of leadership she has long believed in, ethical, empowering, efficient, and inclusive, was further highlighted during the height of the pandemic, when she and her office stood at the forefront of COVID response operations. Attorney Leni's work in politics was heavily inspired by her years as a human rights lawyer. After serving in government, she set up the nonprofit Angat Pinas Incorporated, which now carries the Angat Buhay program. It strives to empower volunteers across the country in the collective mission to uplift the Filipino lives. She has also been sharing her insights and experiences with academic institutions, think tanks, and different organizations in the Philippines and overseas. For fall term 2022, she joined the Harvard community as one of its Kennedy School's Hauser leaders, where she provided perspective particularly on the impact of disinformation and influence operations in the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, our beloved Attorney Leni Maria Leonor Herona Robredo.
Thank you very much. Kindly take your seats. Dr. Alex Navarroza, University President. Dr. Jake Laguador, Vice President for Academic Affairs. Engineer Annalyn Madrid, VP for Administration and Finance. Dr. Ana Cristina Ursua, Dean of the College of Education. Dr. Apolonia Sebelio, Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences. Ma'am Rochelle Oliciano, College Registrar. Director Romel Serrano, of the Regional Director of the Department of Science and Technology, Region 5. Architect Clifford Paranyal is not here with us. The other members of the Board of Trustees, teachers, members of the administrative staff, parents, graduates, maray na hapon sa Indogabos. Over the years, we have witnessed how BISCAST has constantly sought to reinvent itself, evolving with the times in pursuit of its mandate to provide quality technological education to the Bicolano youth. From its modest beginnings as a school of arts and trade, BISCAST has grown into an institution of repute, holding its own as the only state college for applied sciences and technology in the country. Today, BISCAST is home to some of our region's best graduates. Graduates like you, who embody this school's values of excellence, integrity, competence, and adaptability. The latter is especially true for your batch, as one that had to navigate the changes and challenges brought on by the pandemic. You learned, unlearned, and relearned things on the go, all while exemplifying grit and determination amidst some of the most formative but unpredictable years of your lives. You emerged from the trials equipped not only with the skills and expertise of your chosen fields, but also with the fortitude to cope with change and effect it yourselves if necessary. Bilib ako sa Indo, Batch 2023. Bilib ako sa pag-igot asin pagdesider nindong makatapos, dawa dakul kamong kadipisilan asin kaulangan na kinaipuhan lampasan. So congratulations sa Indogabos. But while today's milestone is a cause for celebration, it is also a call to reflect on the paths that await you in the new chapters that lay ahead. After spending years honing your craft, forming meaningful relationships and networks of collaboration, and learning the technical aspects of your fields of study, you now arrive at crossroads. You ask yourselves questions about the future and what it holds for you. Ano na ang sunod? Sa ina ako maduman. Paano ko pupunan ang bagong parteng ini kang buhay ko? I do not claim to know all the answers to these questions. What I can offer you, however, is the benefit of hindsight. And if you will allow me, I would like to share with you some of the things I learned along the way, which have inspired me, given me courage, and kept me grounded to this day. Enot sagabos. In times of doubt and great anxieties, anchor yourselves on today's commencement theme. I find that it perfectly encapsulates your journey and serves as a powerful reminder of what you must keep doing as you go through life. Celebrate perseverance, embrace change, shift perspectives. There will come a point in your life when you will feel stuck and unmoving, as if you've made no progress despite working hard and earnestly. When that happens, remember to take a deep breath and look back on all you have accomplished, big and small. Recalibrate yourselves. See if there's an opportunity for change. Seize it, make the most of it, and use it to gain fresh perspective. Pandua. Do not allow yourselves to fall into apathy. Your BISCAST education has instilled in you a sense of responsibility towards your communities. Heed it. Often, we would rather focus on things that affect us the most, like earning a living, providing for our families, perhaps even getting started on our career goals. We each have our own stories, our own struggles, our own priorities. There is nothing wrong with choosing what you believe to be the more practical, more actionable, and more feasible path for yourselves and your loved ones. Pero yaon man ako digdi para pagirumdumun kamo. Being of service to others does not mean having to give up on your individual pursuits. It doesn't always have to be grand gestures. Service to others can also mean doing good every day, honest work. It can mean going the extra mile for your future students, clients, and endeavors. It can mean choosing to be part of projects and initiatives that tell important stories. It can mean being mindful of the privileges you've been given, ensuring that you do not take them for granted, and seeking every opportunity to pay it forward in a cycle that uplifts, empowers, and opens doors through which others may follow your example. And digdi mapasalamat ako dahil partner mi ang BISCAST. A number of your students have volunteered in many of our initiatives in Naga City. Yaon dyan si Bayan Ko Teacher Ko program, yaon si Community Learning Hubs. So thank you to the education students who volunteered in our initiatives. Pantulo, and perhaps the most important of all, know that you are not in this alone. More than 500 of you are graduating and are here before me today to receive your diplomas. You are on your way towards becoming professionals in your own right, pursuing careers in education, in animation, and game development, in entrepreneurship. Joining the workforce opens pathways to meaningful connections. You will meet people with similar passions and ideals who will want to accomplish the same good things you strive for. Reach out to these people. Get to know them. Befriend them. In doing so, you not only lessen your own load, but you also forge lasting bonds that will get you through more than just your day-to-day work. Bonds which will become the building blocks of endeavors you will undertake in the far future, when you finally find yourselves serving your communities in bigger, more impactful ways. You've come a long way, batch 2023. Gabus kamong yaon digdingon yan, proud, gabus kaming yaon digdingon yan. Si administration, mga magurang nindo, faculty, gabus kami proud na mahiling kamong nakasablay, nagmamarcha para sa diplomang haloy nindong hinalat asin pinagpagalan na makoa. I hope you never stop celebrating perseverance, embracing change, and welcoming shifts in perspective. I hope you keep embodying the transformative spirit that has always been BISCAST's anchorage throughout its long history as a state college. So congratulations man sa mga magurang nakairibata digdingon yan. Ako, saro man na ina. Aram kong maray kung gurano ka-importante para sa Indogabos ang okasyon na ini. Si grabing pagal nindo, si aroal daw na paghadit, paglaom, asin pagpangadji. Uya na ngunyan, nagbunga na. Nakapagpatapos na kamo. Masdan an sa indong mga aki. Asin i-enjoy nindo ang aldaw na ini dahil ini para man sa indo. And to our graduates, cherish this milestone and celebrate it with the people who have supported you along the way. Trust in your abilities, embrace new opportunities, and face the future with confidence. We all look forward to witnessing your continued success. Diyos mabalos, mabuhay kamugabos.
Thank you so much to our commencement speaker, Attorney Maria Leonor Leni Herona Robredo. May we invite the college president for the presentation of the plaque of appreciation. Republic of the Philippines, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, City of Naga, presents this plaque of appreciation to Attorney Leonor G. Robredo, Chairperson, President Angat Buhay Foundation, in grateful recognition for sharing her invaluable time and expertise as guest speaker during the 50th College Commencement exercises of the Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology with a theme 2023 graduates celebrating perseverance, embracing opportunities, shifting perspectives, thereby providing inspiration to the graduates and BISCAST community. Given this 4th day of July in the year of our Lord 2023 at Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Penafrancia Avenue, Naga City, signed by the SUC President to Dr. Alex H. Navarroza.